Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and today we're going to make an offset V pattern. First, you want to start by folding your shirt in half. And for this particular project, I used the sleeve inside the other sleeve technique. I have a quick little tutorial down below in the description box if you'd like to check that out. Using a washable marker and my yardstick, I mark out my pattern. I start by measuring from the collar to the shoulder of the shirt, and that's 8 inches. So I split the difference at 4. So the distance between each line is 4 inches. Now you want to pleat along these lines, and you want to keep that line that you drew as straight as possible. For this particular project, I'm going to secure it with kite string. I apologize for my bun being in the way of this shot, but once you get it all secure with the kite string and you work your way back up to the center, just secure it with a simple double knot. I marked out my pattern with a washable marker, and these spaces are about 1 inch apart. Now that we have the top all dyed up, it's time to flip it over and put dye on the back side. And how we create the offset is by moving each color over one space, either to the left or to the right. And I like to line my dye bottles up in the order that I'm going to place the dye. That just helps me keep everything straight in my mind. Now that we have our shirt all dyed up, it's time to set it inside of a bin and put the lid on it, or set it inside of a plastic bag whatever your preference is, and let it batch for at least 24 hours. Now that the shirt is done batching, it's time for the rinse out. I always start by using cold water. That's going to rinse out any soda ash that might still be reacting within the shirt. And then I'm going to gradually increase the water up to hot and rinse until the water runs clear. From here, I'm going to take it to the washing machine and do a hot water cycle. Then I'm going to do a second hot water cycle using Synthropol, a textile detergent that I get from Dharma. I'm going to do a third hot water cycle using Millsoft, which I also get from Dharma. And that brings softness back into the fabric after the dye process. I'm going to put it into the dryer and we'll come back and we'll see our results. Well, here it is, guys. Here's our shirt after it's been washed and dried. And I think it turned out really nice. I like the way that the pink and purple give it a nice feminine feel. And I like the black, how it makes the other colors just pop out and seem so vibrant. What do you guys think of this shirt? Go ahead and leave me some comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and click the bell for future notifications. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing.